Hi, good morning. My name is MD Ahmed Pasha. My roll number 20951A0325 from Mechanical Branch. Today I am going to explain about the mass moment inertia of sphere and hook. Moment of inertia defined. The moment of inertia measures that resistance to the changes in rotation, change in the rotation from torque. The moment of inertia L is equals to mr square for a single mass. The total momentum of inertia is due to the sum of the masses at the distance from the axis of rotation. That is, I is equals to the given formula. Extend object can be treated as a sum of all masses. A straight rod M is a set of identical masses delta M. The given is about the distance r2 plus r delta r length is given axis. The total moment of inertia is defined by I is equals to formula each of the mass and ragged body rotation. The moment of inertia of for many shapes can be found by integration. Ring or hollow cylindrical I is equals to mr square. Solid cylinder I is equals to 1 by 2 mr square. Hollow sphere is I is equals to 2 by 3 mr square. Solid sphere I is equals to 2 by 5 mr square. Playground ride. A child of 180 n sit at the edge of merry-go-round with the radius 2.0 m and a mass 160 kg. What is the moment of inertia including the child? As the merry-go-round is disc, that I d is equals to 1 by 2 mr square is equals to 320 kg meter square. Treat the child as a point. W is equals to mg, m is equals to w by g is equals to 18 kgs. And the given formula, the total moment of inertia, the sum I is equals to id plus ic is equals to 390 kg meter square. The parallel axis theorem. Some objects don't rotate about the axis at the center of masses. The moment of inertia for the rod is about the center of mass. That is, I is equals to ICM plus mh square. Some objects don't rotate about axis at the center of mass. The moment of inertia depend upon the distances in the axis. H is equals to r by 2. Axis 1 by 3 mr square is equals to ICM plus m into r by 2 whole square. ICM is equals to 1 by 3 mr square plus minus 1 by 4 mr square. Perpendicular axis theorem. For floating objects, the rotational moment of inertia for the axis in the plane is related to the moment of inertia perpendicular to the plane. Spinning coin. The moment of inertia, what is the moment of inertia for coin m and radius for the spinning edge? The moment of inertia of spinning disc perpendicular to the plane is known as id is equals to 1 by 2 mr square. The disc has two equal axes in the plane. The perpendicular axis theorem links these. Id is equals to 1 by IE plus IE 1 by 2 mr square. IE is equals to 1 by 4 mr square. Thank you.